Welcome back to Product Critique, where we review the latest and greatest in automotive accessories. Today, we're diving into the Kwikee Electric Step Replacement 9510 Control Unit Assembly, touted as one of the best in its category. If you're looking to upgrade your RV's step control system, this might just be the solution you need. Let's explore why. The Kwikee Electric Step Replacement 9510 Control Unit Assembly is designed specifically for RVs equipped with IMGL by 9510 step controls manufactured from 2006 onward. This unit promises seamless operation, automatically extending and retracting your RV steps with precision. Installing the Kwikee Electric Step Replacement 9510 Control Unit Assembly is straightforward for those familiar with RV maintenance. It's designed as a direct replacement, minimizing installation complexities. In conclusion, if you're in the market for a dependable replacement for your RV's step control system, the Kwikee Electric Step Replacement 9510 Control Unit Assembly stands out as a top choice. Its robust design, compatibility features, and ease of use make it a valuable addition to any RV owner's toolkit. That wraps up our review of the Kwikee Electric Step Replacement 9510 Control Unit Assembly. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Stay tuned to Product Critique for more in-depth reviews and recommendations. Thanks for watching.